everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. We are out today for free yard sale day. So far only one house. And this is this lovely elderly couple that they don't use the internet. So I dropped one of my soup recipes off with them. And I did get some stuff. So we're going to drive around a little bit and see if anybody else has anything. And then I'll let you know. Okay, so far, and I've spent very, very little, haven't I really? On some useful pieces. And we're not done yet. We are not done yet. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. Not too many people are doing free yard sale weekend. And the ones we're finding, there seems to be some really useful stuff. So, yeah. I'll finish giving you an update in a little bit. I found something so freaking awesome that I need to restore it, but oh my gosh, it was such a steal. It was meant to be restored anyway, and the person never got around to restoring it. And it's a brand I hadn't heard of yet for sewing. Anyway, that's your little update on something. We were driving around looking for certain things. I said practical and useful, and it was practical on a price. So anyway, right now, the new Dunkin' employees, I just lost 1,200 points because they didn't know how to convert it, supposedly. And then they're in there smirking. I liked the old crew better. They were more helpful than these smirky bitches. Another massive bargain that we had to go back and pick up is in the back. So we're dropping that off, and we got to go back and pick something else up. And then I'm just gonna look for that chair for my sewing area. Once you see what I'm about to do, you're gonna be like, oh my god, oh my god. It's going to be exciting. Okay, so we just picked up that, and we're gonna drive around a little bit more to look for a desk or chair. And I'm not gonna show the houses around here because, for people's privacy. So we're gonna go look for that. And so now that we're back home, you need to see everything I got, right? What's that? One moment, please. Okay, first, I said a TV stand with storage. There's a TV stand with storage, and now my TV is off the floor. Oh, look, what's this? What's that? Hold on, you'll see in a minute. Okay, so I got this table, and I am looking for a bed soon, too. This air mattress is super comfortable, though. So that's the legs to this, and I paid $10 for this. This is a vintage table. It's actually a desk. I paid $10 for these, which match the Red Lodge table over there underneath all that. So this was a set for $10. Nice, right? But this is not a chair that I will be sitting on. Although it would go good with this vanity that I just got. It has a mirror. This is an old mirror. Oops. All right, we were driving around. I'm like, Rob, go down this one way. And then we found that one of the high schools was doing their bit for the music for the band. And I thought this was a singer because of the shape. Y'all, I've never heard of this brand. But look, it just needs restored. But it just needs restored, and it needs some TLC. They said that the maintenance guy brought this there. Y'all, I paid $10 for the cabinet and the machine together. Okay, so the cabinet does have some storage. I need to clean this one up. So what I'm gonna do over here, because it's a mess right now. So this is all going to get organized. So the majority of the sewing stuff is this way. And I'm gonna fold that table and turn it, because you know that's what it does. And I could not find a chair today or baby gates, but that's okay. So yeah, oh my gosh, today was exciting. And I know there's something else in the car that I need to bring in, but I'll end up showing you that too. So anyway, I didn't spend much. A majority of this stuff, like this vanity, right? The vanity itself, was $15, and it belonged to the woman's mom, her grandmom, her great grandmom, you know, was in their family for a while. And she said that nobody wants to use it in their house. And I'm like, it's in good hands. So I'm going to end up putting it together at night. I will cover the mirror because it's old. And new beauty section. I will cover this with a cloth. My makeup oxidized in the heat today. So
try this.
what is that?
It's the it's peanut butter. So it's that lemon blueberry muffin thing. It has that lemon taste to it.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah, it is. Without the PB&J on it, the lemon flavor is like overpowering. But after
I can taste lemon.
Yeah.
But with the PB&J
J
on there,
it just kind
not
of
overpowering.
Yeah.
So my son wanted to bring me a little taste of something, which is nice. You know, I really think the TV stand with the storage is going to come in handy because I have some stuff that I can just put in there. So I'm going to redo my room soon. It's going to be great. Tomorrow when we go out to see what people left for free, like last time, that TV. That was an excellent find. So we're just going to look for baby gates so that the dog can't, you know, get in my little hall. And, you know, in case she doesn't make it outside and make a mess by my door. And the one for like the little hall for Steve's room. That way, you know, we're still training her to be calm. Yeah, we're trying. But anyway, yeah, that's my video of the day. I mean, that was a good free find last time. So anyway, this will make me stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. This is today's video for this, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye. This is that toy Wawa truck I was telling you about. First in series. $10, y'all. Wawa. I'm tagging you in this. That one couple that I dropped a recipe off to. Thank you.